Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine. So well friends, today I received one parcel for repair to me. This is came from Trivandrum address because it's the customer's privacy. This came from Trivandrum, Kerala, from Kerala. So let's check what's inside. I think he's my YouTube customer. He saw my video on YouTube and he sent this for repair. So let's open this and we'll check what is the. This is I think Sony IV300. Very nice packing, very nice packing. So it's new, I think it looks like a new, see. So let's check it out what's the issue in this. We'll put it on and check now. Now keep this aside. So we'll work on this now. So we'll check this one. So we'll put it on now. I put it on. So it's coming hello. So we need to wait for few. So it will be on. So we'll check on the Bluetooth. So guys, now we'll connect to Bluetooth. I'll connect my mobile to Bluetooth now. So we'll searching. So it is connected. So guys, I have already connected to my Bluetooth. I'll play now music. We'll increase the volume. So guys, we'll just check the output now. I have already connected to my Bluetooth. So guys, what is the problem? We'll check in this. So we'll check now. See, this is front right. This is front left working. This is subwoofer. Okay, subwoofer. Center. See guys, center. Surround left, surround right is not working. See. Okay guys. So this three output is not working. Center, surround right, surround left. But subwoofer is working. This is working. This is working. So guys, this 3 is working, this 3 is not working. So front right, front left and subwoofer is working. And center, surround right, surround left is not working. So now we'll check what's the issue. We'll put it off first. So we'll put it off first. So guys, we'll start dismantling now. So we'll start dismantling. So guys, now we'll check what's the issue in this. So as you know that front right, front left and subwoofer is working, surround right, surround left and the center is not working. So this IC is for 3 speaker, this IC is for 3 speaker. So we'll concentrate here. See, too much dust is there. First we'll clean this one. Let's put the power on first. We'll check some voltages. Okay, hello come. Say hello come. So this is common ground. So we'll connect this our negative prod. We'll put it on again. So guys, we'll check some voltages. So amplifier output is coming perfectly. See 55, 54. Okay, the supply to the amplifier board is okay, high voltage is okay. Other thing is point and supply pin, will check. 0.4 okay, 1.1. Supplies to the IC is also okay, 3.3, but we need to check the output. So it's not much hot. So we'll check this is the stream IC. So stream IC I think 6 and pin number 9 is supply. Okay. So supply to the pin is good. On pin number 18. Okay. Okay guys. 0.6. 0.6. So guys, voltage, input voltage to the IC is good. So now we need to concentrate on the amplifier IC, this IC. This is good, this is working fine. There is some problem with this maybe. So what we will do, we'll remove this one. We'll take it out the heatsink. Okay guys. And what we will do after that, we'll check the ohms. So just we'll put it off first. So I'll put it off. So we'll remove this heatsink and check. So guys, oh my god, it's very badly damaged. Here is the see here, this, if you see this one, you can see here very badly burned over here. You can see this IC and this IC. This is good. See this one. This is very badly burned. You can see. See this IC and this IC. So there is a burn, badly, very badly burned this one. So what we will do, we'll take it out. Better we'll take it out this board outside and we'll start working. So guys, we'll work on this. Just keep this aside. So we'll start work on this. So guys, we'll start dismantling. So friends, this is the faulty IC. It's badly damaged. The number of this IC is STA516BF. STA516BF. It's very badly damaged. Pins are also damaged. See guys, very badly damaged. So we need to replace this IC with the new one. This is the STA516BF audio amplifier IC. So this is faulty IC because it's badly damaged. You can see the pins is broken, everything is damaged here. So now we'll clean this area first. See, this is the new area. We'll check now. See guys, it should be before too much dust was there. Completely I clean this one. It should be like this. We'll replace this faulty IC with the new one. I got the new one with me. So this is STA516BF IC. So guys, this is the new one. So STA516BF. This is my friend. This is high performance integrated stereo digital amplifier power IC. This is per channel 250 watt per channel with very low noise at the output, but this is very powerful amplifier IC. So we'll replace this defective IC with the new one, and also guys, we will replace this two capacitor. This is the main filter capacitor, so we'll replace this two capacitor also with the new one. It's showing little leakage, so better to replace these two capacitors. So what we will do, we replace two capacitors and new IC. Okay guys, so guys, we'll replace this capacitor first, then we'll replace later IC. So guys, we replace the capacitor. Now we'll replace the IC here. We'll solder this one. So guys, it's perfect, you can see. So we have already perfectly. So now we'll fix it back. So guys, we have replaced this IC STA516B and two capacitor also we replaced. So now we'll put it back to the system. So guys, we'll fix it back now. Time to check it out. We'll put it on first guys. So guys, we put it on. It's on. So hello comes. So we'll do the signal also. Put it on again. So we'll connect to the Bluetooth. So guys, I already connected to my Bluetooth, so we'll play it now. I'm playing now. So we'll check volume 726. We'll keep volume on 26. So guys, now we'll check step by step. Already this 3 was working before: front right, front left, and subwoofer. So we'll check this first. This is front right, front left, subwoofer. So after replacing this IC was for 3 outputs: center, subwoofer, surround right, surround left. So we'll check center first. Surround right, surround left. So guys, this was not working before, so after replacing the faulty IC, so it starts working now. See, so this was already working before. Subwoofer. So guys, it's working fine. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. See you very soon in next video. Take care. Bye bye.